Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique and I'm a marriage and family therapist in the state of New York. And I am coming every Monday to bring you a new video, sometimes talking about therapy topics, sometimes talking about questions I get in the therapy room, sometimes talk about just news and what's going on in the news regarding couples, relationships, and dating. I also am a Christian, so that is the lens that I look from when I am doing the work that I do. So you may hear see some and hear some videos on how I bridge the gap between faith and therapy. Okay. So today's topic is how to apologize. And I love this topic because many people don't know that there are different ways that you can apologize. And many people just say, I'm sorry. And if they are communicating with someone who's sorry is not enough, then they often leave the other person feeling like, I don't really trust you. I don't really believe you. You may do it again. Or you may say it again, or you may, experience the hurt again. And so it's important that you recognize that different people like different things. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Gary Chapman, who is the author of the 5 Love Languages. If you've heard of that before, he has a quiz, he has a book, he does conferences. He recently just came to my church. And he was excellent. It was just an excellent time for couples to get together, to recognize that we are different, male and female. We have differences, and it's okay to explore those differences in the context of safe relationship. And so he also does what's called the 5 apology languages. And so I'm sure it keeps in line with his 5 love languages. But on his website, www.5lovelanguages.com, you can find the apology quiz, you can find the love language quiz, you can find other resources. He writes, they have like different blogs and activities on there. They have a bunch of stuff on the website. So I can leave the link to that in the description box. But he has the 5 apology languages. And so today I'm going to go over the 5 apologies that there are. Okay. Number 1 is expressing regret. And you are this type of person if you like the other person to acknowledge the hurt that they've actually caused you. So this may sound something like, I'm sorry that I made you feel embarrassed. It may sound something like that. And that's okay, right? You can apologize and have that love language, or have that apology language. I keep saying love language because I don't know. I just like the love languages a lot. So if I say love language, and I actually mean apology language, okay? Number 2, accept responsibility. This is your apology language if you like the other person to be clearly articulate about how they take accountability for the wrong that was done. And this may say something like, when I walked away, I understand that made you feel like you were alone. I think that's mine, because it's something about when a person accepts responsibility to me that makes me feel like, yes, that's exactly what I meant. That's exactly how I felt. You just know me. Right? You just get me. I think that's my language. I took this quiz a while back and have forgotten over time what my apology language is. But I remember when I first took it, my husband and I kind of spent some time over our apology languages and our love languages, and kind of just pouring through it and getting familiar with who we are. Number 3, making restitution. This, if you are this type of person, then you like people to put their money where their mouth is. So this may sound something like, you say that you care for me, that you love me, that you will never, ever cheat, that you will never, ever cheat again. Your phone is locked, right? Open your phone, give me access to your phone, give me the codes to your phone, so that I am certain, I'm confident that you will not do the thing that you did to me before again. You won't do it again. Give me the codes. Or it may sound something like, you were unfaithful. Call her and tell her that you have a girlfriend, fiance, or wife. Call her and let her know. Call him and let him know that you are in a relationship. That would make me feel so much better. I have many clients like that. And it's important to them that the wrong be done. If you call her, make it right, then I'm good. I don't even care about the trespass. I'm good. Call him, I'm good. So making restitution, that's an important one. I have my notes here, so I'm just kind of looking to the side. 4 is generally repenting, generally being repentful. And this type of person likes to know that you have proved that you are wrong, like that you understand that there was a wrong that was committed and you make amends to not do it ever again. So this person likes to hear more than just words. It's just they like to know more than just words. So it may be more action that's done. Maybe I don't know if they're into flowers or those kinds of things. It may be like from head to toe. You're apologizing. I call this one apologizing with your whole being, because it takes your thoughts to apologize, to really, your mouth to do it. It takes your actions to do it, your heart, like really engaging all the parts of yourself in this type of apology, because the other person wants to know that you recognize, not only do you recognize that you did wrong, you're actually saying that you did wrong. You're making promises and amends to not do the thing again, but then you actually care about them as a person. So this one's probably a little bit more complex. I can go into it at a later time if you all want. And then 5 is requesting forgiveness. And this may look something just like an I'm sorry, or please forgive me when, or please forgive me if, or please forgive me, can you please forgive me, and just in general. So this may look like an I'm sorry or please forgive me. Okay. So those are the 5. You can find out your apology language on 5lovelanguages.com. Again, from Gary Chapman. Very great resource. When you take the apology quiz, it will give you kind of a write-up on your apology quiz, and what kind of style you have, what kind of things are being said in that style, and there are resources all over that can help you navigate how to operate in that style. Many articles have been written about how to work out of, your style, or expect apologies from others, or apologize to others, and so on and so forth. So get healthy, get healed, get whole, folks. Okay? All right. Have a good day. See you guys again next Monday.